Some player haters say I'm too scared to play games. And to those people I say, go play Bear Simulator, bitch. It's time to take off the hater blockers and get into the game. Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm grabbing my guns. Oh. This game is called Arizona Sunshine. It's supposed to be a super scary zombie game. Sounds like a game for little girls. Let's go. Okay, look at this. Got him! Fuck yeah! Oh! Okay, watch this. Okay. Oh, what's up? Oh, here we go. I'm a little scared. But being scared is only for losers. This is so cool. I am in the desert of Arizona. Oh my god, there's zombies coming. Oh my god, it's coming real fast. What the fuck? Whoa! What the hell am I sitting on rocks? Very comfy. You thought you could get me? You thought you could play a hate? Too bad. What the fuck is this? I'm sorry. What up? What's good, bitch? Oh! 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 This is amazing! Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay! Okay! Helvete! Okay! Oh, they got an Uzi! Oh, the blood! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, you like this? Yeah, yeah. You like that? One side, that's my rescue! Why did I shoot it then? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! Oh god! Yeah! Oh! 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 Win, no matter what! Get wrecked, bitch! Oh! Did you see that? I'm sorry. Oh, you thought you could pull a fast one on me? Oh! Oh, Jesus! Ow! I hit my knee!
I'm sorry.
Why would you do that?
I didn't mean to sit there.
Oh my god, I'm dying! I'm so fucking good at games. Edgar, what the fuck? Alright, fine, you know what? Do you want to check it out?
Yes.
It's your turn to be as cool as I am. I bet you're impressed to have such a cool boyfriend.
Yeah, the farts made it all special.
You saw those?
Yeah.
Smarts, yeah?
Yeah.
What would you say you're good at?
Cars?
Cars? Wow, that's what a weird coincidence, because we're playing an automobile repair today. Breaking all the gender stereotypes. You will be better than I.
I know my cars, you know? I know my stuff. Let's do it!
Alright, let's do this. You've never done this before, right?
No.
Okay. How's this?
My face is getting tighter, right?
How's that? You got your hand?
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's freaking me out.
Yeah?
I don't want to look at my hand.
I'm your right hand, left hand.
This is crazy.
Yeah. Yay, with that.
Oh my god, this is scary.
And then pull it. Wait, and then up. Yes. High five.
Oh, it's dark. Are you sure it's not scary?
100%.
Ooh,
my
ketchup. Car. Let's open the
you
garage.
The car?
Woohoo! Yay! Look, it's my car.
It's your car, literally.
Ready to paint. What? What did I touch? Okay. Oh,
It says there.
oil. Okay.
Okay.
Where does the oil
It's
go?
just-
Wait, that's not the oil. That's the oil.
Of course. I knew that. Excuse me, I am a man. This is how you do.
We did it.
Okay, I did.
What? Get off!
Okay.
Okay, let's open the car.
Do you want to go inside the car?
Oh, get up! What is this?
We're going in the car.
No, you're gonna get intoxicated.
Toxicating what?
Is that a word?
What does it say?
My face is sweating.
You changed the board. There you go. Which part?
Flowers. Where do I put the
That's
flowers?
not how you fix cars, Marcia.
Beautiful.
What do you do?
Beautiful.
How do you keep getting more flour?
Beautiful.
Stop decorating the car. Why?
No! What are you? Bro, don't slow me down. Look what you did! Oh, the potato.
You need to-
Okay, the potato.
You didn't need to eat the potato? I think you can. What are you doing with the potato? Oh, really?
Hey, take this.
Okay.
Wait. I can't get. Why is it not working?
Okay,
Here.
crispy. No!
Is this a potato?
Oh, that's a battery. Yeah, maybe we need another battery.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That worked?
Now they have to pay, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, print.
Throw it to him.
Two.
Stay on the right.
Oh. Here.
All right, you did it!
I want to play more.
You can't. Okay, wow, you did so well, Marcia.
Thank you.
You really have a talent for video games
Thank you.
and automobiles.
Do you see this? Amazing.
I am amazed. No, please. Okay.
What is that? Ooh. Almost killed me.
Oh my god. Can I blend my face? Oh my god. Should I do it, Brett? Oh!